In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time block Todoist tasks in almost any calendar. If you're someone who juggles multiple tasks and finds it challenging to allocate specific time slots to your projects, this video is perfect for you. By integrating Todoist with Google Calendar, you'll gain a clear visual representation of your tasks, making it easier to manage your time effectively. First off, we're going to leverage the Todoist and Google Calendar integration. This is a great feature as it offers a direct two-way sync if you're using Google Calendar. This means that any changes you make to a task in Todoist will automatically reflect in your Google Calendar and vice versa, ensuring that all your schedules are up to date. And to get started, navigate to your Todoist settings. Once you're there, find the Integrations tab and click on it. Here you'll see an option for Google Calendar. Click on that and you'll be guided to connect your Google account by signing in. Once you've successfully signed into your Google account, you'll need to specify which Todoist project you'd like to sync. You might have several projects within Todoist, like personal tasks, work-related projects, or side hobbies. So take a moment to decide which one needs syncing. After selecting your preferred project, we'll move on to the next step. Now it's time to select a Google Calendar to sync with. You may have multiple calendars, perhaps one for work and another for personal events. Pick the calendar where you'd like your Todoist tasks to appear. By syncing only the necessary tasks, you'll keep your calendar from becoming cluttered and maintain clarity on your schedule. Next, you have the chance to customize your preferences on which tasks should appear in Google Calendar. You can set it so that only tasks with due dates or specific labels show up. This allows you to manage your time more effectively, focusing only on what truly matters. Once set up, any tasks that have due dates will automatically show up as events in your Google Calendar. This seamless integration is a game changer for time management, as you can now see how your tasks fit into your entire day's schedule. Finally, you're not locked into a specific time. You can easily adjust tasks by simply dragging them to your preferred time block on the calendar. This flexibility allows you to accommodate unexpected tasks or reschedule as your day evolves. Now you're ready to start time blocking your Todoist tasks with Google Calendar. By following these steps, you can take control over your time, ensuring productivity and efficiency in your everyday life. Happy planning!